Hey guys, we're at the second part of day 10. This is the night out. This is when some of Kat's friends took us out drinking. I'm sorry that it's so long. It's around 9 minutes and I don't like the videos being that long, but these were some really cool guys and I kind of owed it to them to document the fun that we had that night. So hopefully you guys can stick through it and see the subway incident. I've never even seen these before. These are called loach. That's what they translated it to. And we're gonna have loach nabe, which is a stew. Itadakimasu.
I thought you were gonna make a video. No.
So Kat's friends decided to take the camera out of my hand, which is still my cell phone because I left my camera at home, and film me. And as you can see, the drinking has started. But like I said in yesterday's video, every night going out with Kat's friends seems to end in eating a lot of food. Good video. It's great. Drink. Drink.
Loach pan.
Yeah, loach pan. Loach pan.
路上鍋って調べたら本当に鍋がパンで出てくる。
Loach sounds like roach.
I know, right?
Roach? Roach. Roach is
Wow.
Umai. 好吃。好吃。美味しいね。
美味しい美味しい美味しい。
羽気をつけて。
何このリアクション。
Oh, sweet. Sweet. Yeah, sweet. Sweet. The bones are really soft. Yeah. And I don't know if they deep fried it first. Do you think they deep fried it first? Because it feels like there's like a skin on the outside or something. It's good. Oishi.
よかった。よかった。そうこれどうしよう。もう一個。
So I'm pulling out my wasabi from lunch from the soba.
ステーキ。かじってない。いい。
はい。
He likes wasabi very much.
Smell good. It doesn't smell good. How about taste? This is the one you shredded?
Yeah.
It's alright.
Yeah, it tastes like wasabi.
It tastes like wasabi.
お前大好きだなマヨネーズ。何大好きだよ。何？3、2、1、ガー。なんかいいよ、ガ何回やってんだよ。
なんかね、固形物感じたけど。
全部な。
何かを感じたけど。最悪よ。最悪よ。後輩力が。イエーイガ辛いなんか辛いこれ入れた辛いバカそっかなんか妙に勢いあんなと思った
Karai is spicy?
It's spicy.
It's amazing. Oh. Oh, freeze!
5、4、3、2、1。Golden Dragon.
Golden Dragon.
Golden Dragon Tea Shop.
Tea Shop.
Tea Restaurant. Green Shop. グリーンストアグリーンストア
Good movie.
どうしたどうしたティッシュ
Yay!
Do you want orange?
Sure, anything. Oh, look at this. My hand barely fits. I have to turn sideways. Hey, look. Turn sideways. Get through. Oh. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh.
We call.
いただきます。あ、間違えた。
これはもつです。
So this is horse. All right.
Yeah.
Shoyu onion.
Soy sauce.
Tastes like ginger. Like beef.
I like beef.
Like beef.
Like beef. Tastes good. You like it?
Yeah. It's okay.
It's okay.
I think I like beef better, but it's okay.
あは。そうだね。うん。
死んじゃってたからね。
ジンジャー。
Cat's first time with horse.
あいが。
It's beef-like. What's your take? So this is only like 30 minutes later, and we're eating again, and not like a little bit, but a lot of dishes again. And I don't know who that old lady was, because she just kind of jumped in and decided like, hey, I'm gonna start talking to Cat.
Skin's skin.
Chicken skin. What's your favorite?
I love it.
Ah,
Too oily.
too oily.
I like this.
This is Japanese street.
Mm.
Japanese coffee street.
Hoppy Street.
Action.
Action. ドドシコシコシコドドシコシコシコドドシコシコシコドピュイエーイ。
はいパイのパイのパイのパイのパイのパイのパイのパイのパイだっちゅうのパイのパイのパイのパイのパイのパイのパイのパイのだっちゅうの
もう一回もう一回も。
パイのパイのパイのパイのパイのパイのパイのパイのパイのだっちゅうのはいパイのパイのパイのパイのパイのパイのパイのだっちゅうのドドシコシコシコドドシコシコシコドドシコシコシコドピュっていうか韓国の人って可愛いよね。いや女の子めっちゃ可愛いね。
皆さん。
韓国は反日ってイメージあるじゃん。だけど、むっちゃ日本語勉強してる人多い。
広安清水広イエーイ。
オッチーたち。いいねー。いいねー。イエーイ。
はい乾杯。
はい乾杯。
ドドシコシコシコシコドピはいドドシコシコシコドドシコシコドドシコシコシコシコドピはいドドシコシコシコドドイエーイイエーイ
Good job.
You are champion! Fuck yeah! Champion!
That's where this video ends. in the subway. Kat has the other part of the footage. But basically, it was around, I don't know, 11:30. Subways were closed. Subway was about to close, and I passed out in the subway car, sitting up, and slowly slouched lower and lower until I fell on my face in the subway car. And then decided, you know what, I'm going home to go to sleep. Tomorrow is my last day in Japan. I have so much that I need to get done. And that's day 11 that's coming up next, so I hope you enjoy it. If you know Kat, you could probably IM her for that video or that picture of me falling on my face.